For centuries, people believed the Earth was at the center of the universe and everything else revolved around it. But what if I told you, over 1400 years ago, the Qur'an already revealed secrets about the motion of the sun and the moon, long before modern science caught up? Let's go back in time. European philosophers once believed in the geocentric model, that Earth was still and the sun revolved around us. This idea, from Ptolemy in the 2nd century BC, lasted for more than 1,000 years. But in 1512, Copernicus introduced the heliocentric theory, that the sun sits at the center and the planets orbit around it. Then in 1609, Johannes Kepler discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits and rotate on their axes. This helped explain the sequence of day and night. Yet even after these breakthroughs, scientists thought the sun was stationary. I even remember reading this in old-school geography books. But listen to what the Quran said 1400 years ago. It is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All swim along, each in its rounded course. The Arabic word used here is yazbahun, which means swimming or moving with rotation. Just like a person swimming moves forward while rotating their arms, the verse describes celestial bodies not only moving but also rotating. Today, science confirms this. The sun rotates on its axis once every 25 days. Using solar projections, scientists observed sunspots moving in circular motion, clear evidence of its rotation. And not just rotation, the sun is also moving through space at 150 miles per second, taking about 200 million years to complete one orbit around the center of our galaxy. It is not permitted for the sun to catch up with the moon, nor can the night outstrip the day. Each just swims along in its own orbit. Modern astronomy now knows that both the sun and the moon follow individual orbits. The sun moves towards a fixed point in space, known as the solar apex, located in the constellation Hercules. Meanwhile, the moon takes about 29.5 days to rotate on its axis, the same time it takes to orbit Earth. That's why we always see the same side of the moon. Isn't it fascinating? More than 1400 years ago, the Quran spoke about the motions of the sun and the moon, facts that science only discovered centuries later. So the question is, what was the source of this knowledge? If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Islamic Knowledge, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.